Good morning students. Students, in this video we will start from question number 9 of exercise 21b. Question number 9 is, if the mean of 8, 10, 7, x plus 2 and 6 is 9, find the value of x. Mean of 8, 10, 7, x plus 2 and 6. The mean of these observations is given 9. So we have to find the value of x. So students, by using the formula of mean, we can solve this question. So see how we will solve it. Mean is equal to, formula is sum of all observations upon number of observations. Students, mean is given in this question, so we will write mean here. Means 9 is equal to, observations are 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus x plus 2 plus 6 upon number of observation. How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 observation. 4, 5. So 5 observations. So upon 5. So 9 is equal to, we will do the sum of this. 8 plus 10, 18, plus 7, 25, plus 2, 27, plus 6, 33, plus x. We cannot add x because it is unlike. They both are unlike terms. So 33 plus x upon 5. Now we will do cross multiply. So in the upon 1, so 33 plus x into 1. So we will get 33 plus x is equal to 5 nines are 45. So x is equal to 45. Here is plus 33. Move to RHS minus 33. X is equal to 12. So students, value of x is coming 12. Now students, question number 10. Find the mean of first 6 multiples of 3. So first 6 multiples of first 6 multiples of 3 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 8. So student, first 6 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So you have to find the mean of these multiples yourself. Now students, question number 12. The mean of 6 numbers x minus 5, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 12 is 50. Mean of 6 numbers is given, that is 50. Find the mean of first 4 numbers. We have to find the mean of first 4 numbers. So students, we have first 4 numbers. No, we don't have first 4 numbers. They are in x. So students, first we will find the value of x with this much information, as we have done in the previous question. So first we will find the value of x, then we will put the value of x in first 4 numbers. We will get the first 4 numbers, then we can find the mean. So to find the value of x, what we will do? We will use the formula of mean. So mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. So mean we have 15 is equal to x minus 5 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 12 upon how many numbers? 6. So 15 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x, and they all are positive. Now about the numbers. Some are negative and some are positive. So we will add the negative numbers separately. So minus 5 and minus 1. What we will get? Minus 6. Then 2, 6 and 12. 18 plus 18 upon 6. So 15 is equal to 6x as it is minus 6 plus 18. What we will get? Plus 12 upon 6. Students, from here we can do two things. We can do cross multiply also, or we can take common between 6x and 12. So take common. 15 is equal to 6 is common. So x plus 2 upon 6. 6 from the 6. So 15 is equal to 1 into x plus 1 to the 2. This. So see, x is equal to 15. 2 is positive with x. Come to LHS, changes into, come to LHS, yes, changes into negative. So minus 2. X is equal to 30. So students, value of x is coming 30. So now we will put the value of x in first four numbers. So first four numbers, is equal to x minus 5, x minus 1, x and x plus 2. We can put the value. X minus 5 means 13 minus 5. Then 13 minus 1. Then 13. Then 13 plus 2. So 13 minus 5, 8. 13 minus 1, 12. Then 13. Then 13 plus 2, 50. So students, now we have first four numbers. They are 8, 12, 13, 15. So you can find the mean of these first four numbers. So mean you have to find yourself. Now students, question number 17. The mean of marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. Later on it was discovered that a score of 53 was misread as 83. Find correct mean. So students, the mean of marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. That was coming 40. But after checking that, it is checked that the marks which was 53, that misread as 83. So in that condition mean will come wrong. So what we have to find? Correct mean. So see, what is wrong mean? Wrong mean is equal to 40. So students, for this first we have to find the sum of or wrong sum of 100 students marks. So see, sum of marks, wrong sum of marks is equal to formula of sum, mean multiply number of observation, mean multiply number of observation. So wrong sum of marks is equal to mean or wrong mean multiply number of observation is equal to wrong mean is given 40 multiply number of observation 100, so is equal to 4000. So it is coming the wrong sum. With this we will find correct sum. So correct sum of marks is equal to, first we will write 4000 which was misread. 53 was misread as 83. It means we will subtract 83. We will subtract the number which we added wrong. Now we will add correct number. Correct number is 53. So plus 53. So 4053 minus 53 is equal to 3 minus 3 0. Then 397. So it is coming 3970. Correct sum of marks is coming 3970. Now correct mean of marks is equal to, formula is sum of observation. Now sum is coming 3970 upon number of observation 100. So after solving this 0 to 0 cancel. Decimal will come after one place because here 1 0. So 39.7. So students correct mean of marks is coming 39.7. Now students question number 18. The mean of 5 numbers is 27. If one number is excluded, the mean of remaining number is 25. Find the excluded number. So students, we can find the excluded number after finding the sum of 5 numbers and sum of 4 numbers after excluding. So first we will find the sum of 5 numbers and sum of 4 numbers. So we can make two parts. Mean of 5 numbers is equal to 27. Then mean of 4 numbers is equal to, yes, 25. So first we will find the sum of 5 numbers and sum of 4 numbers. So sum of 5 numbers is equal to, yes, formula of sum, mean multiply number of observation. So mean is 27 multiply number of observation 5 is equal to, what it will come, 5 7 is 35, 5 to the 10 3 30. It is coming 135. Now mean of sum of 4 numbers is equal to 25 multiply 4 is equal to 100. So students, sum of 5 numbers is coming 135 and sum of 4 numbers out of 5, sum of 4 numbers is coming 100. It means both sum is included in this, or which number is included, fifth number or excluded number. Clear? Excluded number is in this 135. So when we will subtract this from this, what we will get? Fifth number that we have excluded. So excluded number is equal to, excluded number is equal to 135 minus 100. It is coming 35. So excluded number is equal to 35. Listen again. The mean of 5 numbers is 27. If one number is excluded, the mean of the remaining number is coming 25. 5. Find the excluded number. To find the excluded number, first we will find the sum of 5 numbers and sum of 4 numbers. So sum of 5 numbers is coming 135 and sum of 4 numbers is coming 100. So in 135, fifth number is included. In sum of 4 numbers, fifth number is not included. So it means excluded number is equal to 135 minus 100. So excluded number is equal to 35. So students, only this much for today. We will meet in the next video with new questions. Keep watching the video. Thank you.